Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and the first look of a new SRM knife that I got. This will be the SRM knife and tools model 411L-MN. Here is the model number. Caution, keep sharp things away from children. Yes, good to know. The SRM stands for Stay Ready for More, and here is the company who is making this knife, and yeah, also some information about their Instagram and Facebook. If you like, you can scan this. Yeah, what to say, they are making some really nice knives, but I had to wait a little bit, and they finally came around and made some models in brown canvas micarta. So I jumped on it and got this one. And as you can see, you are getting some really nice cloth bag and silica packet, so no money was wasted on packaging and extra. So from this one, it is they are getting for me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's see the beautiful knife. So yeah, let me give you the specs really quickly. So we have a overall length of 20 centimeters, it is 7.9 inches. The blade length is 8.7 centimeters, 3.4 inches. Blade width 2.3 centimeters, 0.9 inches. Thickness 3 millimeters or 0.11 inches. Handle length 11.4 centimeters or 4.5 inches with a thickness of 1.1 centimeters or 0.4 inches. The blade sports a really nice 14C 28N with a 57 to 59 HRC. This is a really nice tough stainless steel, more so on the budget side, but definitely a good steel to have on your EDC knife. Made by Sandvik, as you can see right there. It has a really nice PVD finish, which is a titanium nitride, thin titanium nitride coating on the original finishing. So I don't know if they had done some stone washing or acid washing and then done the PVD, but it looks really nice. On the handles we have, like I mentioned, canvas micarta, which is a little bit sanded, or yeah, it is sanded. Nice attention to details. The pivot collar sports a aluminium ring with the logo, also logo on the, and also the slogan on the one side, and on the other side we have the model number, steel, and something more, which I don't know, is maybe the serial number, or I don't know what's going on here. Definitely lots of informations, but yeah, no problems there. As far as construction goes, you can see we have really nice nested stainless steel liners. Which are not skeletonized. The canvas micarta is 3D milled, as you can see right there, and also a little bit contoured, chamfered around. So the pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearing washers like the majority of Chinese knives nowadays. So we'll have a really nice crisp action, and it sports the Benchmade exit lock or crossbar lock. So yeah, finger safe and really tough. You can also see the spring bars, or should I say the springs, not spring bars, but springs. They are attached here and here, coiling around to give it that action. And it has a really nice smooth action, so it's a really nice fidgety knife. One really nice feature that they had in the past, I don't know, over 2 or 3, maybe even more years ago, is the quick change feature on the ambidextrous pocket clip. So basically you pinch the pocket clip, take it out, this is how it looks like, and then you swap it out on the other side So if you are a left-handed user, you can do it by yourself really fast. If you like to prefer to carry your knife offhand, then it is also good to, you can reposition during the day. Maybe you are switching out knives, you're carrying two knives, one from each pocket, then you can definitely do so on the fly, and you do not need any kind of hardware. So this is really good to see. Probably one downside with this feature is, of course, it is a little bit wobbling around, and that will create a spot underneath the micarta. It will leave some shiny spot there, but yeah, this is definitely a small price to pay for this really nice feature. But then, of course, how often you have to reposition your pocket clip. So maybe gimmicky, but definitely nice to have. And it is a deep carry pocket clip. Let me check the, yeah, it is stainless steel, so it's made out of stainless steel. So this is how much it was sticking out, almost nothing. It's nice deep carry configuration. So let me show you the pocket profile. Yeah, really nice. And since we also have it, let's try the lock. Yes, I expected nothing else from the crossbar lock. It is really nice and one of the sturdiest locks on the market at this point, since Benchmade does not retain rights on it anymore because the patent expired. Anybody now can make knives with a crossbar locks or axis locks. So I forgot to mention that we have a small partial backspacer which doubles also as a lanyard hole, which you can see right there, nicely designed. The blade has a really nice configuration to it. So let me try to show you something like that. So if I put the blade right here, it would be a really nice straight back. Also, somebody could call it a Quiken or Tanto. But if you go with the handle, then you can definitely see that it slopes down. So it should be something like a clip point or maybe something like that. So let's call it modified clip point. It definitely has almost a little bit like a recurve here, but not that much. So overall it will function really nicely with all different tasks. Even if you have to use it for poking and opening packages, this will excel because it has a really nice acute sharp tip to it. Yeah. Okay, as far as variants goes, you can choose either for brown or green at this time point. Maybe there will be more. I saw a similar design which was in titanium, if I'm not mistaken, but it was labeled with a different model number, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe they just didn't know back then that they will releasing this one here. So check out the SRM catalog if you would like to see more. Now, before I talk about the pricing, let's see the weight. The weight is 83.3 grams. That is exactly 3 ounces. So definitely, like I mentioned, nice lightweight. At those 20 centimeters or 7.8 inches, a really nice, decent weight for this size combination. So as far as pricing goes, yeah, the MSRP is $59.95. Usually you will find it a little bit less if you search around for on retailers. Here in Europe, they will cost you around 49 euros. So yeah, at the 50 euros price point, you are definitely getting a well-designed and good materials for this money. I would probably like to see it maybe around 30-35 is just me, because let's face it, from China right now you have so many different options you can choose from, and at this price point this one looks a little bit expensive, but not too much if you consider that mostly for around 35 euros you are getting something like D2 at the best, maybe sometimes 8CR39MOV, but also sometimes 14C20N. So let's see what we have here on the table as far as size comparison goes. Like I mentioned, at around those 25 to 30 dollars, here is the Tuna Fire, Kesivo or Free Tiger series of knives that I usually have for size comparisons. This is the model number, let me check, 958. Then I have here also the 956. Both of these will cost you probably that much, that one of those here. So keep that in mind. And of course around $30-35 is the Watchman. This is the model W111. From Bestech, I have here the Bestech Man Dundee. And from CGRB, I have here the Pyrite Alt. I have here also the model 959 from Kesivo Tuna Fire Free Tiger, which has the green Micarta version because brown was not available, and this is a little bit lighter than the second variation of this one will come also. Now let's continue with the RUIKE Model 1. RUIKE Model 2. Kaiser Backlighter 2, 10th configuration. Let me also bring out the Kaiser Pinch to show you the OG China Carta, which one was the first production models that were used on with this material here, and yes, we definitely are improving. Okay, so here is the Spyderco Delica. Let's see, the QSP Penguin and the CVV Elementum. Both of them are sporting a really nice brown canvas micarta, which is something similar that Srm was using here, a little bit darker. Here's the Paramilitary 3. Benchmade bug out. Here is the full size Griptilian and also the small size Griptilian. Bug Sprint Pro. Let's see the Sharpie here. Rough Rider Peanut. Buck Sovereign. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So yes, let's conclude this video. So Srm It make a really nice. Let me be honest here. All of those knives that they released in the past, I don't know, a year or two, they are really nice functional designs. Only thing that I have a little bit of problem with is the pricing, of course, since you have so many different nowadays different knife brands or knife makers that are offering so much value for so little money. It is a little bit hard for me to let's say to say or recommend this one here. If you can get it for around $40 or 40 euros, then of course this will be a good buy, in my opinion. You are getting a really good product, but at around full MSRP, that is $59.95 or $60, which I did see, and also around 59 euros some sites. Yeah, no, do not do it, and probably just wait maybe on some discounts. Okay, so with that being said, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.